Alright, on this episode, guess what we're doing? Hey? We're going to drop the body back onto the chassis. That's right, the time has come. We're going to drop it down.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic.
Hey guys, before I start this episode, I just want to mention that we've got merchandise out now on our store. I'll put a link to the store in the description. This is, it's just a simple shirt, basically the OG on what we started the channel with. So all the boys wear them, me included, while filming and everything like that. It's got a small logo on the front, bigger logo on the back. Comes in small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL. So yeah, $35 plus postage on top. Regardless of order size, postage remains the same. So whether you buy one shirt or all of them, choice is yours. So yeah, like, subscribe and share. Get down to the merch store, grab yourself a shirt. There's a few more coming, a few more designs and that. So the more you buy, the more it helps us out, and the more shirts and stuff and merchandise and stuff we can get built. So yeah, like I said, like, subscribe and share. Get on that merch store, grab yourself a shirt, and yeah, I'll continue this episode on for you now.
Alright, so few things are first. I've got to change the airlines. The shorter ones at the front here are now going to go in the back, and the longer ones are going to go in the front, and then I'll run them along the chassis because there's going to be a remote solenoid in the back here. So the air tank's going to go against that seat there. There'll be a remote solenoid and everything like that. So I'll basically just put two holes, one on this side, one on this side, and then that way I can run the airlines through there and I don't have to worry about anything else. That's literally everything that's going to happen there. So I'll change those airlines over, and then I've got the new rubber mounts. I'll have to lube these up, slip them in, get those 6 in and everything like that. I bought generic ones to go on these flat mounts and everything like that too. So I'll start slipping them in once we get closer to the chassis. But that's pretty much everything that's got to go on now. And then we will drop this down and see how our clearances go. And hopefully we can get this body to sit on there. So I'll start running all that and we'll get this big girl on there. Alright, so I've got the airlines run next to the fuel line here. I've got the rubber mounts sitting in. One there, and one there. I do have universal ones to go here, up there, and there's 2 at the back. So once I get the body down a bit closer, I'll start feeding them in and feeding the bolts through. I've got a bolt sticking out over there, and I've got one here ready to line up with this one on each side. So that'll give me something to aim for. And then that way I'll put the jack underneath the diff. We can just pivot this as we need it and everything like that. So this is pretty much ready to go now. I'll take the jack out the front. I'll put the timbers back in so they stay up and the exhaust doesn't hit the ground, because that hits the ground when you drop it. And then that way I can roll it back and forth, and yeah, I'll start getting this body down. Alright, quick update, we're almost there. It's been a bit, but we're getting there slowly. This side's lining up really well. I don't know if you can see down in there. Try and zoom you in. That gal bolt is pretty much in line with where it needs to be. It's already sitting in the hole of the bush. So, yeah, I mean, it's starting to look good. This wheel's tucking ever so slowly, but we're still about 4 or 5 inch off the chassis yet in the rear. So it should sit a lot lower, and hopefully I won't have to cut the boot floor out, but I'm not liking my chances here. But yeah, anyways, this side's a bit higher because we're on an angle, but we are so close. We almost have this on, which is good. So we'll keep moving it around and shoehorning it on. We'll get some bolts and bushes and that in, and yeah, that's how far we've gotten so far. We did sort of bend where the steering column goes because unfortunately we sat the body on there because the pedal under there gave us a bit of grief, but we're on our way now. So certainly getting there, certainly looking the part, that's for sure. All right, so we've pulled it out. I cleaned the slab where it was. This is how it looks so far. And I mean, we're tucking tyre. But the fact of the matter is though, this isn't as low as it goes. I'll jump underneath and I'll show you. If you have a look, I don't know if you can see, but there's about 4 inch between the chassis and the body. And why is that? Because we're sitting on the control arms and everything over here. So the game plan now that I have it out in the open is we're going to cut this floor out. So I'm going to take a measurement from the chassis. You can see the chassis insert here. I'm going to take a measurement, describe a line across there. I'll cut the 3 bars, and then I'm going to basically follow the line of that, and we're going to cut this floor out. And what that'll do is that'll free up where the airbags are and everything like that. It'll free up the diff, the 4-link, everything we need, and I'll be able to tie it in on that lip there where the back seat goes, and I can tie it in on this lip here because you can see that it comes down and then ends in this corner here, and we'll still be able to get mounting bolts and everything in there. So it'll literally just be a square sheet in a curve all the way to the rear. I can tie them back into it and happy days. You put it in the slot like that. Just chop shit. Where are we held over there? Is that held on there or is it just cord? I think that seat's holding it. I'd almost say that's out. I bet I'm going to have to cut it in half to get it out. Or it's got to come up more. Just to make clearance. How am I going to get this out now? Fucking ain't caught on much, is it? Oh. That's looking like floor again. Remove the seat thing. Bend that down. Come on. What is it now? So close. It just needs height. And a block of timber. Not that there's any structure here to jack off. Alright, it's I might set up the other camera for the wheel for when I drop it down. You say when? Yep. You ready? Hey! Is that not low? Probably still sitting on the jacket. It is. Look at that! That's much better. Yeah. Hey. Fuck yeah. That's wicked. That is wicked. We've cleared everything. That works. Very good. Awesome. I've just got to put 2 little holes in for the airbags. And that's it. Just straight over. Done. Mint. Thanks for having me. Nice. I've got to message the boys. Alright, so I've cut the floor out and this is how it looks. We've got our 4 extra inches in the rear. So you can see there, we're really tucking in now. I thought it would have sat lower, but that's it. That's as low as that's gonna look. So let me just zoom out. We'll do a full walk around. And that's so that's how it's gonna sit. So yeah, basically I'll just have to buy some sheet metal, start making it the inside again, and then I'll clear coat this and we'll get that sorted, pull all the glass out, clear coat it, get everything sorted, then we can put the front end back on. I've got to sort out an alternator, belt, wiring for the engine. We'll get that up and going and have the wiring come in. I've got to pull a dashboard out, that's going to be painted bright red. The interior is going to be bright red on this. And then, yeah, that's the plan for it so far. But at the moment, I'm just going to clean up, push it back in, and yeah, that'll do this episode. So if you haven't jumped over already, just jump over, give us a like, subscribe, and share. This is a self-funded channel, so if you buy some merch, it helps us out, helps me and the boys out, get some of these builds done and everything like that. We do get paid from YouTube and everything, but it's not a great deal. Most of our stuff comes from the merch. So yeah, jump over to the store, links in the description, buy yourselves a shirt and help us out a bit. All right, there'll be more shirts coming at the end of the financial year. So yeah, but anyways, this is going to do this episode. The Dodge is coming along nice. We'll just do some sheet metal work now and get it running, and then yeah, we'll start doing some trim work, and yeah, it's coming along pretty good. All right, so I'll see you guys next time.